So, alright, we did it. We moved in Barcelona and we're installed finally. I mean, we had so many boxes that we brought back from Belgium, loads of IKEA furniture that we had to install, and yeah, I think I can say it's quite done. I think 95% done. And I decided today to actually take some time to do something I used to do way more back home, and that's hiking. I love to hike, I just like being into nature. So I think, yeah, today after work, it's 6, I think you hear the bell maybe. It's 6 p.m, I have a hike that I want to do, which is in one of the mountains very close to where we live, Tibidabo. It's very well known in Spain because it has a very special church with one special feature right on top of the mountain, and it's a hike of about, I think, 2 hours. It's not that far, but it's quite uphill. Obviously, it's a mountain. I'm taking my drone. I really want to fly around Tibidabo at sunset. I think I might need to hurry then. So yeah, I figured I'll just vlog a little. Alright, things I'm taking with me. First of all is my gear bag, of course. Not the most comfortable one, but does the trick to actually store most of my photo and video gear. In my bag I already have my DJI Mini 2, very small, very compact, that I put already in my bag. It's fully charged and I have a reserve battery and a remote. I also want to take my tail lens, my 70-200 f2.8 RF mounts for on my R6, which I'm using right now to vlog as well. Alright, I need as well a bottle of water, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, here. And I'll go fill my bottle of water. Alright, bottle of water, check. My headphones, which I will take as well for a bit of music or podcast. And I think I'll just see you in a minute. Alright, it's been about 2 hours. We're walking and I think we're pretty much here. I don't know if you can see, you can probably see it here. Yeah, I'm sweating, but actually the hike isn't that bad, especially because I took like the small train going up for like the hardest part. I didn't want to miss the sunset. Right now I'm looking for a very calm spot to eventually take off my drone without anyone around me. So I think this might be a good spot, but it's so calm. I'm afraid the noise of the drone is gonna make too much noise and therefore attention. It's gonna bring attention to me. Alright, I'll be lying. It is pretty tiring, but wow, the view is absolutely incredible. You have like this very typical Spanish architecture and colors, especially now with golden hour coming up. Those straight sunshine lines that make everything a bit more orangey is extremely nice to see. Very excited. I think I might have found a spot. Alright, I think I've got a spot. It's quite far away of anyone except maybe a couple of like bikers, mountain bikers coming through here. It's not the most open area out here, but it's definitely not near houses or anything, or near a lot of traffic of people. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try here, and okay, I guess live with the consequences. Hopefully the consequences are just some nice pictures, so let's go. Alright, I don't see any warnings on the app, so should be fine. I have 75% of battery, so I'm quite hesitant of just switching or not, but you know what, I think that if I don't take off now, I won't later on either. So I think it's go time. I hate flying drones. I'm stressing so much. Alright, I'm not entirely happy with what I did. But hey, a first time, definitely a first flight. I am always so fucking nervous when flying in like big monuments, etc. I don't think I enjoy flying a drone, but I do enjoy its result though. The GPS signal wasn't great, so I lost signal a couple of times. But hey, it was a first time. I think I found a really good spot though to take off. Because it was very calm, no one really disturbed me except for maybe a bike, but like of course the drone was already very far up in the sky, so he had no idea what I was doing. So I think it was a good spot, and the sunset is just incredible. I'm glad I came. So yeah, hope you like the results, hope it was worth it. Thanks for joining me today on this adventure, and I'll definitely come back and try to improve the shots. See ya.